Ladies and gentlemen, if you've watched this year's BBC Two series, Genius of Invention, you'll have seen our Rook medalists doing some fantastic on-screen demonstrations of everything of how to generate electricity to showing how atmospheric pressure can crush a steel can. And that's just a small part of a career that over 12 years has seen Mark Miodownik become a genuine public champion of engineering. He's done everything from working with the Tate Modern to explore the engineering behind their collection, to contributing to the radio programmes such as Material World and Start the Week, and my personal favourite, he gave the 2010 Christmas lectures at the Royal Institution. And between all that, he somehow still finds time to be Professor of Materials and Society at University College London. Mark presented the BBC's first ever series on materials engineering called How It Works, and is resident engineer on Dara O'Brien's BBC Two series, Science Club. Mark is someone who's clearly and immensely enthusiastically passionate about promoting engineering to the wider public, and his enthusiasm for the discipline shines through in everything he does. He's also co-founder and director of UCL's new Institute of Making, which opens this year and aims to provide makers of all disciplines with a space to collaborate and experiment, and it comes replete with a workshop and materials library. And if we might just veer off Mark for just a moment, the Academy also wanted to recognise that with us tonight in the audience, we have Dr. Lucy Rogers and representatives of the campaign Why Not Chemeng, both of which were highly commended by the Academy's Awards Committee for their work in public engagement. But now, can you please join me in welcoming this year's Rook medalist onto stage, Professor Mark Miodownik.
Your Royal Highness, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much. I feel incredibly honoured. There is no organisation doing more to promote engineering than the Royal Academy of Engineering, and it's just great to be, part of the gang, basically. There are some people I'd like to thank: Peter Goodhue and Chris Wise, Anthony Finkelstein, and Jason Rees, who kind of, bigged me up, and also, all of the kind of engineering communities that I see around me here. I mean, it's probably on every table that's someone who's given me a helping hand, and I just want to say thank you very much. I have to kind of say that I feel that no one does anything without, the love of and the appreciation of the people around them, and I, couldn't do any of this without the love of my missus, who's here at the back, and also my 6-week-old daughter who came here, and I hope will probably be an engineer of the future. So thank you all. And before I leave you, I just want to say one thing, and it's a kind of strange thing to say perhaps, but I really hope I'm one of the last people to accept this medal. Because in the arts and humanities, they don't have medals or prizes for promoting their professions. People go and be novelists, they become artists, they become architects, because those professions are so embedded in culture, and the professions and the people who do those professions are so part of the media and are constantly in the media, and people can reel off names of artists and architects, novelists, without any thought at all. And I really look forward to the moment in the not too distant future where people can reel off 10 of the great engineers of this country without any problem at all. And I really hope that at that point you won't need these medals anymore, because it'll just be part of culture as it should and always was before. And 5 of those engineers people reel off should be women. Thank you very much.